Hello, welcome you all. Today in this video we are going to solve this factorial sum 53 factorial divided by 52 factorial plus x factorial is equal to 52. We have to find the value of x in this problem. This is very interesting problem, so all of you watch this video till the end and please thumbs up if you find the solution easy. We are going to take the reciprocal first. When we take the reciprocal, denominator will come on top and numerator will go down. When we take reciprocal on right hand side, it will be equal to 1 divided by 52. In the next step, we are going to take this 53 factorial to right hand side. So it will be multiplied by 1, which is equal to 53 factorial divided by 52 factorial. As we have to find the value of x, so we have to eliminate this 52 factorial. We will take this to right hand side. When we take it to right hand side, it will be subtracted. Sign will be changed. It will become minus 52 factorial. Now we are going to change this 53 factorial. We can write this 53 factorial as 53 times 52 times 51 factorial divided by 52 minus 52 factorial. Why we have done this? Because now we can see that in numerator and denominator 52 cancel out. We are left with 53 times 51 factorial minus 52 factorial. Let's simplify it more. X factorial is equal to 53 is as same as 52 plus 1 and rest part as it is 51 factorial minus 52 factorial. Now we are going to multiply this 51 factorial by each term. When we multiply it by 52, this will be equal to 52 times 51 factorial plus 51 factorial one time is same again minus 52 factorial, which is equal to, we can write this 52 times 51 factorial as 52 factorial plus 51 factorial minus 52 factorial, and this is all equal to x factorial. Now we can see that this negative and positive 52 factorial cancel out. We are left with x factorial is equal to 51 factorial. From here we can say that x is equal to 51. This is the final and required value of x which is asked in this question. I hope all the steps are clear and you find the solution easy. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. You can visit the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.